Guys, guess what just came in the mail? Green's shoes. Can you open up the bag and hand one to your brothers? Or each dig in there? Go ahead, open it. Open it.
Oh, okay. Oh, mine's full.
Okay, help Max. Don't eat it all. Wait for your brothers. What's it look like, Grace?
It's purple.
Luke, what color is it?
Purple.
Can you help Max with his? How about just switch it? Give him yours.
No.
Alright, he wants his own.
No. Get it down there.
Okay, here it goes. He's opening it, Max. Okay, hand it to him now.
No,
There you go. Okay, ready? 1, 2.
Do you chew on it or suck on it?
Chew on it. What's it taste like?
Gum.
Tastes like gum?
Yeah.
What's it taste like, Grace?
Taffy. Tastes like
Hard. What's it taste like, guys?
good. Taffy. Good.
Does it taste?
Taffy.
Does it taste good? Kids tested. Kids approved. 2 thumbs up. Do we love it? And what is this? This is Green's Chews. It's like eating 20 cartons of blueberries. How yummy is that?
One.
You're allowed 2. Luke Brydges, who never eats anything, is going for 2. So everybody's eating 2.
It is. Maybe doesn't work.
Yummy.
Oh, it's just super hard.
It's hard.
Bye.